7 amazing ways to earn from YouTube. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have built a following by making video material aimed at teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and generally being wonderful on the internet. It's possible that making money on YouTube isn't your primary motivation for starting a channel, but the abundance of earning options is a pleasant surprise once you learn how many there are. Fortunately, there are a variety of unique ways to generate money on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 7 amazing ways to earn money from YouTube. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Your YouTube channel's earning potential may be unlocked by your audience, as it is for Instagram influencers or bloggers, but it is the construction of numerous revenue streams, such as side hustles or enterprises, that allow you to make money. Let's look at each of these revenue streams in more detail. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Ads will most likely be your first source of money. Joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is critical whether you want to make money on YouTube without making videos or as a content creator. You must agree to abide by all of YouTube's monetization regulations and reside in a nation or area that offers the YouTube Partner Program. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for monetization. Number 2. Sell products or merchandise. You may generate money with your YouTube channel by selling a variety of things. Beyond cash, selling merch, t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks, you name it, has a perk. Merchandise broadens your reach by bringing your online brand and personality into the real world, and it strengthens your bond with your fans by allowing them to buy into what you're doing. Roman Atwood, for example, sells a variety of items under the Smile More brand in his store. It's easier than it appears at first to sell branded stuff. Using freelance services like Fiverr, you may order affordable designs specialized for certain products such as t-shirts. When it comes to managing orders, you may combine your store with services like DSers or one of the many print-on-demand providers that handle shipping, fulfillment, and customer service for you, allowing you to reap the benefits of a print-on-demand business while putting in less effort. Number 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. Crowdfunding is a good approach to get an idea off the ground when money is the only thing that stands in your way. If your idea is attractive enough, you can enlist the aid of your own audience and the crowdfunding community to help you acquire better equipment, hire actors, or cover other production costs. To increase people's curiosity, many popular crowdfunded creative projects include a sneak look or trailer. So, like this popular Kickstarter for Kung Fury, a short film homage to 80s action flicks, consider creating a video introducing your idea or giving a sample of what it will be like. Number 4. Let your audience support you through fan funding. You can set up fan funding streams to solicit money from your audience, similar to how you would crowdfund a project. You're offering your voice to the internet as a creative without requiring your audience to pay for entrance. As a result, if you provide good material, your viewers may be willing to support you on a regular basis. Many fan funding systems give creators a new way for people to discover their work, as well as a way to engage and reward their most ardent supporters. If you decide to go the crowdfunding route, there are a few basic practices to keep in mind. To begin, ensure that the money is spent in a transparent manner. This will enthrall your audience to your tale or cause, and they will literally believe in the worth of your information. Second, provide a compelling incentives for higher contribution amounts. The more you can make contributors feel like they're getting something special for being a long-term supporter, the more donations and promises you'll get. Number 5. License your content to the media. You can license your content in return for money if you produce a viral video with mass appeal, such as an amusing clip showcasing your dog. If your video goes viral, TV news outlets, morning shows, internet news sites, and other creators may contact you about using them. You can also upload your videos to a marketplace like Trusted Media Brands, where the relevant individuals will be able to find and buy your content. Number 6. Engage in influencer marketing for brands. With their normally high advertising expenditures, brands are investing more and more in influencer marketing and sponsorships, paying influencers who have already earned the devotion of their audiences. If you can strike the correct deals, this opens up a ton of possibilities for you as a creator. Brendan Gaughan, a YouTube marketing guru and influencer, suggests multiplying the usual amount of views on your videos by 5 cents to 15 cents to determine your baseline flat rate, which is around what your brands are willing to pay you for views via YouTube ads. Number 7. Start promoting affiliate products. Affiliate marketing is the practice of advertising a good or service produced by another company in exchange for a commission. You can promote brands as an affiliate marketer and use product placements, testimonials, or other forms of content. You must, however, make the viewers of your videos aware of the partnership. If you evaluate products as part of your YouTube channel, this works extremely effectively. There is typically a low barrier to entry because there is no risk on the brand's end. They only pay when they make sales. Popular affiliate schemes, including Amazon's affiliate network and ClickBank, 1% to 75% commission, depending on what the vendor specifies, up to 10% per sale. In the e-commerce industry, it's usually for firms in your sector to run their own affiliate programs, so you can get in touch with them. How many YouTube views are required to generate income? According to research from Influencer Marketing Hub, the average YouTube channel may earn $18 for every 1,000 ad views, or $3 to $5 for each video view. Earnings are unrelated to the quantity of videos you receive. You won't get paid if your video receives millions of views, but no one sees it or clicks the advertisement. This is due to YouTube's requirement for paying advertisers. In order to get paid, a viewer must click an ad or watch the entire video ad, 10, 15, or 30 seconds. How to make money through YouTube. Advertise on your channel, sell memberships or subscriptions, and join affiliate marketing programs. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours in the last year to start making money directly through YouTube. When you do, you may sign up for YouTube's partner program and start making money from your channel. Affiliate marketing is one industry where you may start out as a newbie and make money with few subscribers. Popular themes for YouTubers include niches like food reviews, product launches, and top X lists. In contrast to an ad click or video views, you can make money when viewers buy affiliate products from your video. How much do YouTubers earn annually? Tens of millions of people follow each of the top 5 YouTubers as of January 2021. Mr. Beast, Jake Paul, Markiplier, Rhett and Link, and Unspeakable are some of the accounts. Through their channels, these YouTubers make more than $28.5 million a year. Smaller accounts can still make a livelihood on YouTube despite their massive earnings. How are YouTubers compensated? According to data from Forbes, advertisements account for 50% of the top YouTube earners' yearly income. Once you've created a YouTube channel, you can set up an AdSense account and turn on monetization. Once your AdSense account balance reaches $100, you will only get paid. Even without having millions of subscribers, YouTube channels can earn money. Your earning potential is influenced by a variety of factors, including the level of engagement you create, the niche you target, and the revenue streams you consider, in addition to the number of viewers and subscribers you have. Check out our advice on how to increase your YouTube subscriber count if you want proof that subscriber count does matter. Second, you would believe that YouTube is the sole source of income based on this list of the top 10 earners. In actuality, each of these outlets carries a distinct product line. Prior to introducing their own products, these channels first discovered and developed their customers. Everyone should start by having a thorough understanding of their target demographic if making money on YouTube is part of their marketing strategy. The emergence of YouTubepreneurs. Rarely is money what drives artists to create. The idea of creating something the entire world can appreciate. Like PewDiePie, who produced content as video game commentary, many well-known YouTubers had modest beginnings. Ironically though, that puts them in a fantastic position to genuinely make money in a world where content is king. Getting and holding their audience's attention is a challenge for many businesses, but YouTubers have already mastered it. All that's left to do is use your imagination and entrepreneurial spirit to investigate ideas on how to make money off of your passion and audience. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.